Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix black screen problem on Netflix app. So if you are trying to watch a movie or watch something on the Netflix app and you see a black screen, we are going to see what are the possible problems that may cause that. So first of all, you have to check your internet connection and to check that you are connected to internet through 5G, 4G or through Wi-Fi. So you should be sure that your device is connected to the internet. The second thing, you should be sure that your Netflix app is up to date. So to check that, you go just to the App Store and go and look for Netflix. And if there is an update, it will tell you that there is an update. For example, my app is up to date. And after that, you have to check the app again and check that you are connected to your account in a right way. And if everything is good, you have just to restart your phone, and by restarting your phone, normally this problem will disappear and everything will work as you want and everything should be working good. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.